Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, peoplies. Oh, mercy. What the heck did I just do? Well, my computer decided to not want to work this morning. Then I figured out why it was not wanting to work, and so I stopped what it was doing so that it would work, and then it still didn't work. So I have to restart it, and that is why I'm coming to you from a phone instead of my desktop. All the while trying to figure out how in the world what the world? Shut down. Okay. Now it's shutting down, thankfully, so that I can get it restarted. So, how are you lovely people doing this morning? This is kind of interesting. I'm not used to doing it this way. And I think I will see chats. Let's see, live chat. Okay. So it's Thursday, and let's see. So we've got this morning chat today. We have Chris's call. We've got Chris's call at 9, and then at 1 o'clock is text call. All of this is Eastern time. I'm on the East Coast. And then at 3 o'clock, those that are in my deductions intensive masterclass, I hope you have or are doing your homework, because we will be in the Zoom at 3 to discuss the deductions that we talked about on Tuesday. Speaking of the deductions intensive masterclass, this is probably the only time I'm going to teach it live. So it's the, if you want in and you want live and you want like all the things, then you have until tomorrow to get in. Everything is recorded. You will have access to all of the things afterwards for life. So you'll actually get the course that's getting created from this, plus all these lives. So if you get in now, you get a much better, well, I don't know if much better, but you get me live versus doing it on your own, so yeah, I'm gonna keep the doors open until tomorrow evening, so Friday evening, and you'll be able to go back and watch the replays from Tuesday and Thursday, and then join us next Tuesday and Thursday for the lives. And then my daughter is creating a beautiful, beautiful platform and editing all the videos and editing my coughing out. And I'm super excited about what she's doing behind the scenes for you guys going forward. Everything is just gonna get better from here. So yeah, that's kind of where I am right now. Good morning, Larry. Yes, coming to you from a phone near you. What time is the live? The live is at 3 p.m. Eastern. You're in Florida, I think. So yeah, 3 p.m. this afternoon, Eastern time. And it could be that this class ends up going an extra week or two. It's it's all going to depend on if I get, how things get out, right? So I want to make sure that all of the information, it gets recorded. And if I need to do, like, I think I might do a specific class on depreciation. I might do some more specific training classes. So that might mean that we run into June. So you'll just, you'll get a little more than you originally thought you were going to get. And like I said, the course is being created, videos are being edited, and I'm super, 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 super excited. She showed me the setup for the course yesterday, and she's done such an amazing job. I am so super proud. I'm sorry. Great, Larry. Hope to see you there. So yeah, she never had even heard of Thrivecart, which is the platform that all my stuff is on. She'd never even heard of that prior to us talking last week. And she went on there and she did her research and she watched videos and she made her stuff and she used Canva and she's done all this creation stuff, and it's all colors with my branding. So I'm super duper excited for how it's turning out. And in fact, she's once we get this one done, she's going to go back and fix the other ones, the ones that I created, because yeah, I suck at it. But that's okay. That's okay. We're allowed to not be good at everything, right? Hey, Kim. Hi, Vic. Good to see you both here this morning. Kim is actually up and at her desk this morning. I already had a couple of minutes on a Zoom with her, well, on a call with her this morning. Bobby, good morning in Ohio. Larry says, "Oh yeah, I know a few people that use Canva." Yeah, I have the paid version, and so she uses it to build graphics for me and stuff like that. She actually has she created a nearly an hour movie for a new gaming server that she has going, that she's part of, that is going live soon. So the movie and the server are coming out very soon. And I'm super proud of all the things that she's doing. Kim says, Tabitha is amazing. Yes, she is. And I am proud to call her my daughter, to be her mama. And so thankful that she can work with me, that I've always wanted this. I've always wanted my kids and grandkids to work with me. And it's I didn't think that I would ever find something that they were willing to do, right? And somehow or another, I got Tabitha to help me do some stuff during tax season, and she truly embraced it and realized all the things that she was learning by doing it, and it just lit a fire in her for her own business and things like that. So now that I'm doing other things in addition to, she's being able to use her creative side and really dive in and learn some new things. So I'm excited to see what she does with it outside of working with me. Like she's a mom. She's a mom of two, and a wife. And they just bought a new home, and she works part-time on the weekends. Her husband's working full-time so that they can, be home with the kids. And well, the oldest one is in school, but the youngest one is not. And it's hard. Daycare is hard and it's expensive. So she also does gaming, and she's successful at that. And now with working with me, I'm hoping that she'll be able to let go of that part-time thing on the weekends and be able to get full-time income working with me part-time. And then also be able to do her gaming and maybe even add some other things in, right? So it's funny because yesterday I was talking about it on here, I think, and I I did not realize that we can manifest things for not only for ourselves, but we can manifest things for our other, like when we're connected that way, right? So I actually I said that I wanted to be able to pay my daughter $500 a week to do work for me. And yesterday I had to send her a payment and it was $500. I was like, oh shit, I gotta be careful what I say. I absolutely loved that I was able to send her that. Absolutely loved that I was able to send her that. That she earned it. The things that she created for me were fantastic, and that I am able to create the income in order to be able to pay her these things, right? So it was a full circle moment for me that I got super excited about money flowing in and money flowing out, right? Money comes to me all the time, anytime, day, night. I when I'm sleeping, when I'm awake, when I'm having a good time. Larry's like, can I work for you? Hey, I am all about finding ways that we can work together and collaborate and build an empire. Like my whole thing is like, let's build an empire, right? So, if we can find something that we can embrace together, I'm all for it. So yeah, let's see what we can come up with. That's open to anybody. I'm all about collaborating. So let's talk. If you've got some ideas, I definitely have ideas. I got all kinds of ideas and not enough time. So my thing is, if I have ideas that you want to implement, let's see what we can do together. Kim says, yep, Cheryl and I have a couple cool things in the works. Yes, we absolutely do. Absolutely do. So Kim is my my co-working partner. She's another accountant. I'm totally the idea person. So Larry, don't worry about that. If you've got the go get 'em work ethic, then that's not a problem. But yeah, Kim is my co-working partner. Like we get on Facebook Messenger, and she's in her office and I'm in my office, and sometimes we talk to each other and sometimes we're just clicking away doing work, but we're both accountants. She also does work for me. We discuss things in order to make sure that our clients get the absolute best, right? So yes, Kim is the behind the scenes bookkeeping guru. I'm definitely the tax genius, and she's definitely the bookkeeping genius. But together, you know what? Together I mean, if you become my client, then you get us both. If you become her client, you get us both. So there's that. Larry says, you come up with the idea. If I can do it, sure. Okay. Well, that goes back to being, understanding like who you are, right? Because everything that I build or everything that I look at for myself is around my lifestyle. And so the way that I look at it is the more things that I can do around my lifestyle, the better my tax deductions, the better my life, because I get to do things that I love to do. And like doing this right here, this lights me up. I love it. I look forward to when I first started doing these Monday through Fridays and I was thought about it going in the future. I was like, man, that's a pretty big undertaking to say that this is a non-negotiable. I have to do it every day. I missed one day, and I came to and I there came in and put a post in the chat that I was too sick. I was just not able to get on the camera. But then the other day, I came early so that I could get in for a few minutes. It's become a non-negotiable for me to do this particular live, right? And I'm seeing results from it. Like I see that I'm getting more people that are coming and watching every day, and people are finding my videos, the ones that I've created like 2 years ago, and they're setting up consultations with me, and they're going, you're the only one that's talking about this. Other people are saying you can't do it, you can't do it, you can't do it. Why are you saying that you can? Because it's right here in black and white on the Internal Revenue Code that you're allowed to do it, and they don't want to change. They just don't want to change. They don't want to keep up with the times. So anyway, I'm kind of rambling. The puppies are playing again. Robin says, you even went live from the emergency room. Yes. Kim says, Cheryl inspires me, encourages me to be a better me. Yay! That's my thing, right? I want us all to grow together. I don't want to grow and leave anybody behind. What's fun of that? I want all of us to grow together, and like be able to live the life we want. Maybe, at the end of the year or sometime next year, we can have a great big party somewhere. Like my audience, like we all get together and just have a great time. I think that would be fantastic. To get to meet everybody in person and, have this in person and then have like discussions and like big roundtables afterwards. Oh, that would be amazing. Oh my gosh, we should do that. Let's see. Larry says, I did a morning show for 2 or 3 years, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30, just talking, Monday through Friday. That's amazing. What was your topic? Why don't you, why did you stop? Was it like on our radio? Tell me more. I need to know more. No topic. Oh, so kind of like this. So what did you talk about? You just had different things you talked about every day? We only have a couple of minutes left because I have to jump into on StreamYard. Okay. Turn my computer back on. So you did it on StreamYard. So where did you stream to? Whatever came up. Were you on, did you stream to YouTube? Did you stream to a social media platform? That's super cool though. Did you enjoy it? I guess that would be the first thing. Did you enjoy it? I mean, you did it for a year, but then you stopped. Yes, Vic, my computer is was my computer was screwing up this morning. I'm not even sure. I've got two freaking things on here and I don't know which one I picked. Oh my goodness. This is not cool. Stream to YouTube. So yeah, my computer was messing up this morning. I had to restart my computer. So in order to keep on schedule, I am coming to you from my phone. So that's why the view is different. I don't know what's going on. So Larry has a YouTube channel that is his name. So everybody go check out Larry's YouTube channel. Stupid computers, right? Okay, so that is definitely not. Oh, mercy. I picked the wrong profile. I swear. I need to figure this out. So do we have any questions or anything going on? What do we got going on this morning? Hey, what you want to switch? Yeah, I'm switching. There we go. The problem was I picked the wrong one because I didn't know which one was my main. Because I don't use the other one. The other one needs to go away. All right, so I'm over there now at least. So I have my desk. I have it way up so that I can just sit here like this with my phone on my little holder. Larry says, just trying to make money this morning. Are you driving? Vic says neurosurgery offered me a cervical surgery. Oh, that's super duper serious. My mother has had a lot of surgeries on her spine, and my dad has had the same surgeries, and I'm just not going there. Yep. I'm not doing it. Larry is driving Monday through Friday. You were doing like DoorDash, Uber Eats kind of stuff, right? Not Lyft and... Okay, so I really like what Kim said. Larry said, just trying to make money this morning. Kim says, Larry, change that to, I'm going to make money this morning and set an amount you want to put out there. I'm going to tweak that a little bit and say, I made X number of dollars this morning. It's already been done. Now just go put the work in. Okay? Vic says, a displaced disc is squished on nerve. Oof. Yeah. My mother has got a lot of those type issues, and so does my father, and I'm not going to talk about it. No, Larry, not I'm going to make money. I am making money. I have made money. So let's say you want to make $500 today. All right. So the thing is I made $500 today. Now just go do the work. I made $500 tomorrow. I make $500 a day. Whatever your number is. If $500 is more than you're comfortable with right now, okay, that's fine. Make it whatever you're comfortable with right now. Vic says, uh-oh. P says money. Why is this doing this? Weird. Super duper weird. What is wrong with my Zoom? Zoom is not responding. Lovely. P, hi, how are you? It's like right at the end of my 30 minutes, and I just got logged in over on Zoom on my computer so that I can do my next call. Again, if you guys, if anybody wants to get in on the deductions intensive masterclass, don't forget to get signed up no later than tomorrow. If you get signed up today, you can join us at 3. You'll get all the replays, a whole created course after it's done, and get to be with me live and ask your questions each Thursday live in Zoom. Okay? There's a dedicated Facebook group. There's a whole 9 yards. So, $75, and we will make sure that it runs until all the content is created. So I look forward to seeing you in the group, and I will see you here tomorrow morning. Have a fantastic day. Bye.